Let's talk GPU acceleration. So on the left, I'm inside of Amazon Sagemaker. I have a single machine with one Tesla T4 GPU. I'm using Dask and Rapids to be able to interact, use this GPU, use standard pandas-style syntax so I don't have to learn a new API. In my case, you can see I've got this worker here. This is my local machine or my Sagemaker instance, and I've got my GPU. I've read in some data from S3. I've read that in with Dask QDF. It looks just like pandas. That's wonderful. I've persisted this data in memory, and now I'm running a group by. And this group by, you can see the little star has already started. I've executed this, and it's, oh shucks, this has taken a little while. This MapReduce operation, it actually isn't running that fast on the GPU. Now we've got a decent amount of data here. This is like 75 gigs of data. We're on a single machine. It's not failing, which is wonderful, but it is taking a little while. And in fact, this will take about 2 minutes to finish. I ran it once before, and here's the wall time. So here's what we can do instead. I'll create a cluster of GPUs. So instead of just one worker, what if we had more than one? And thanks to Coiled, I can quickly spin up a cluster with 4 workers. I could have way more if I wanted, but 4 is plenty in this case. And we can run those exact same operations now, exact same code, Dask QDF read CSV. We're reading this in to the cluster. And now when I execute this group by operation, you're going to see it executes really, really fast. It'll execute in just a second or two, this even faster because it's loaded in memory and it's running on the cluster. Meanwhile, our single machine code, here we go, finally finished in about 1 minute and 43 seconds. So a very significant difference just by scaling out to a cluster. And the best part is this didn't cost me very much money. I've been running this cluster of 4 GPU workers, and it only costs 75 cents or 74 cents an hour. So a very inexpensive way to make yourself as a developer much more productive.